Yeah. You told me you were happy now. Told me you moved on and found everything you needed. So why do you keep knocking on my door? Why are we still here? Let's talk about it. I see you posting pictures like your heart is finally whole, saying he's the missing piece that saved your broken soul. You tell the world you're peaceful, that the past is in the ground. So why do you get heavy every time I am around? You text me out of nowhere asking questions about my life, picking at the old scars, looking for a fight, baiting me with words just to see how I react, trying to spark a fire out of everything we lacked. If he gives you everything, why you looking at my hands? If he understands your heart, why you testing where I stand? It's like you need a reason just to keep me in your view, creating all this drama cause you don't know what to do. If you love him like you say, why you looking for a fight? Why you bringing all your shadow just to mess up with my life? You claim you found your heaven, so why you at my gate, searching for an excuse just to turn your love to hate? Yeah. If you love him like you say, why you coming back to me? Start a war today. Look, I kept my distance, cleared my mind, and let you go in peace. I swallowed all my pride so all the pain could finally cease. I watched you take his hand and walk away without a word. I accepted every harsh reality that I had heard, but now you turn around and try to make me out the villain, accusing me of things just to trigger what I'm feeling. You invent an argument out of thin air every week, looking for a reaction every single time you speak. Is it guilt, is it regret, or are you bored inside your lease? Cause a person who is happy doesn't go disturbing peace. You chose him over me, and I respected what you chose, so stop picking at the thorns. If you claim you got the rose, you don't miss me. You just miss the way I cared. You miss having someone who was always standing there. Now you're playing mind games, trying to get a rise, hiding all your longing behind angry little lies. If he's really your future, stop pulling on my sleeve, cause if you truly loved him, you would simply leave. If you love him like you say, why you looking for a fight? Why you bringing all your shadow just to mess up with my light? You claimed you found your heaven, so why you at my gate, searching for an excuse just to turn your love to hate? Yeah. If you love him like you say, why you coming back to me? Start a war to do. No more excuses. No more random fights at 2 in the morning. If you love him, go love him. Leave my name out of it. I'm done being your excuse.